go, hotdog!
Finally.
Yeah! 5,000 euro total. Mamma mia, 5,000 euro. Easy peasy.
2019 na mag-decide kami ni Nancy na mag-quit sa pagbabarko at manirahan na lang sa Italy. Sakto naman na nagka-pandemya, nagkaiwalay kami ng halos isang taon. Sa awa ng Diyos, yung nagtagal at nakarating ako ng Italia. At dito, nagpakasal kami. Ang buhay, weather lang. Minsan nasa baba, minsan nasa taas. Pero pag di ka sumuko, sigurado makakamit mo ang lahat ng pangarap mo. Si Dylan, ang star ng vlog. Nancy, ang napakagandang baker. At ako si Nian. Kami ang Nian family. Welcome sa aming vlog.
Sana? Hello. Ay. Good morning. Half?
Dus dat half croissant en half pen chocola.
Ah, okay. Yes. Ayan, sarap naman. Nancy. Doing something. Hi guys, may late na. Gala 10 para man bukas nun. 9:20 something. Ganda morning! Nian FAM! Yan! So we are on the way na. Dito na kami wala. Papunta na kami sa IKEA. For the million times ever. Early in the morning, it's 9:40 na pala.
It's not early.
We are late. 10 o'clock ang ating appointment.
We say, let's go early. Because like this, we check everything.
See. Let's go early. Okay. Yesterday, okay. No, because also we were tired and we wake up late. We woke up late.
I ate. It's okay.
No, we ate. Yeah, so in the morning we are nagde-decide kami if we will leave Dylan or dadalhin namin sa IKEA, but we have decided na much better na yun yung mga ano guys, mga nagbabike yan kasi dito yung mga nagbabike guys nasa gitna ng kalsada, kaya naiinis yan si Nancy pag nagdadrive yan. Yan, obviously guys, Nancy is driving today. Para maiba naman kasi kahapon ako nag-drive, di ba? Para sa video, iba naman tayo, no? Alam na next day, hindi yung laging ako na lang nagda-drive palagi. Ano ako, driver? Am I a driver? No.
I don't like to drive. It's obvious.
Yes.
I'm not a driver. And I get mad if
No,
and they were like 8 people with the bicycle and they were not in a freaking line. They were all over like sheep.
don't worry guys, ganito talaga mga Italians. They're Italians. Ganyan talaga sila. No patience sa driving.
No, because it's not patient. I'm not being patient. I'm talking about their safety. Because you cannot, and it's a curve. It's not a straight road. You cannot do that.
Why you problem their problems? It's their problem.
Because they were like almost touching me. The fault is to me.
Alright,
But
okay.
it's their fault.
Yan, okay, na-understand na natin yan. Allora, still cloudy. malamig pa rin. Still, hindi nagpapakita ang summer.
If it's cold now, why the bicycle go around? Stay at home, stay now, stay in the bed.
Because they thought it's summer already. But then the weather say Happy April Fool's Day. No, April Fool's Day. Happy April Fool's Day. Yan guys, so. Eto nga. Tara na, tara. IKEA, see you na IKEA. Let's go! Miss ko yung onboard guys, kung party namin ganito ang mga kanta. Kaya may gaton!
Obviously, when we were together, we didn't used to go.
Okay.
When we started to be together, we were not going so much.
Because we stay in one corner to drink beer and then we stay in our cabin together. Yes, guys. Kami guys, ang pinaka-importanting bagay bago tayo mag-proceed sa loob is maskerina. Mask, yan guys. Actually, hindi na siya required dito. Pati yung mga QR code. Yung vaccination card, hindi na required, right? Pero kami guys, madali kami kasi we're late with our appointment. 10 o'clock, 10 na. Ha? They just open. Yamos sujus to. Kami guys. Pagod kami. Ang galing nga namin mag-shortcut. Expert of the shortcut. Kabisado na namin ng IKEA guys. Araw-araw ba naman kami nandito.
Poi, tiratore caldaia da muro sinistro 30.
You can add also electrical. But it's in the price, no? Just the project.
The electric?
Yeah. Excited na siya. And guys, so actually tapos na kami. Waiting na lang ang confirmation. We will pay around 4,500. 4,500 euro guys. How much in the Philippine money? Times 57. 58. Ito guys. 3,900 pesos. 3,900 pesos ang aming nagastos para sa kitchen tsaka sa room, bedroom. Yan. So missing pa tayo ng sala, corridor, garage, and banyo, toilet. Yan, missing pa tayo. Pero yan yung gastos dito guys. What? Now it's time for us to work. So guys, watch our videos like this. May pambayad kami. If you want some cake, order to us. Continue lang kayo ng nood lang tayo ng vlogs natin para matulungan nyo kami magbayad nito. Cappuccino IKEA. Feedback? What's your feedback? So kami guys, payment time na, bayad muna. Tapos mag-ikot kami, dito na kami kakain, tapos mag-ikot kami ng IKEA para sa mga iba pang kailangan, alright? Go Pato!
Finally.
Happy! Guys, mag-ikot-ikot kami, bili namin mga small things na
Kami It's true, it's not like the million times.
That was the small thing. Ngayon, we will buy. You want the wood bowl? Something? Bamboo. We're already in our limit to use the card. We still have a little bit space for spending money today. For today kasi may mga limit lang tayo ng maximum natin pwede spend for today, no? Finish already. 1 card finish already. 2 cards finish already. We use another one. You like? Yeah, friendly lang. See? 15 lang pero in Philippines it's 750 pesos.
It's not so cheap.
And guys, ito kami. Ito yung mga lights. Bili na kami ng ilaw para pagdating doon, pagtapos ng pintura, install, may ilaw na. Lagay na lang ng mga gamit. It's nice kasi dito na kami sa cellphone nag-scan ng code para paglabas namin dire-diretso na. No? I hope dire-diretso na. We never did this before.
I bought the sum up and then I can scan the sum.
No, you can pay already here also.
Very good. Very
Check
nice.
out and pay.
You just need to take the mattress. I hope all of this will enter in the account.
The mattress, yes. And this, we can find the place. Alright.
Took the lights.
Yeah, we took the light. Amazing lights for Nancy and amazing lights for the studio.
And that's a gift for Baby D.
BBD to of course woods. We like to be more simple like as possible, not like the remote control robot nothing. For now, no.
I don't like the babies that are playing with the fake cell phone. It's just like, too much. It's too early, guys.
That's true. Alright. Ikot pa kami. Baka may mga makita pa tayong mabili. Alright, let's spend some more money here. Stop. So, once you play it, we will not... Baby Didi! You have new chair! Oh no.
Excited, Daddy. Excited. Legs.
Server.
Dry.
Questo shopping mode.
Crazy.
Better. Now we scan. And ito namin yung kama namin, guys. Ayan na siya actually. Kukunin na lang namin yung mattress. Ano tawag dito? In English, cushion.
Mattress.
The cushion mattress, yeah. So ayan na siya. Hintayin lang namin yung somebody na maka... Yeah! 5,000 euro total. Mamma mia, 5,000 euro. Easy peasy. Medyo problematic ang aming car. Medyo maliit ang aming car. Tuto?
It's not fair. You can move me though.
I want you guys, ano?
Dai,
Put the pillow here in the back.
dai, ho fame, voglio andare.
Guys, show ko lang sa inyo ang sitwasyon ni Madam Nancy. Yan, no?
Mi si rotto l'unghia. Ow.
Yan ang ganyang situation dyan. Kasi medyo mahaba yung bed. Yan, ganyan yung sitwasyon niya. But are you okay? Ha? You okay?
Yes.
Alright, I love you.
Love you too.
It's okay, ha? But put your seatbelt.
I'm already.
Okay, tara, let's go! We are hungry, hindi pa kami kumakain.
Yeah.
It's already 2 o'clock na ng tanghali.
Baby Dylan ate is pasta and fruit and now he's sleeping.
Yan, so uwi na kami. 30 minutes to 40 minutes ang biyahe. Yan, umulan. Medyo umulan, so let's go na.
Because babysitter is available only until 3.
Okay, let's go.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break
na kami pero biglang umula ng sobra. Alright. Halos wala akong makita. Halos zero visibility. You can show.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Pakita natin sa kanila kung gaano kalakas ang ulan. Become now normal.
Now a bit less.
A bit less. Yeah. Suddenly, when you took the camera, a bit less like this. Dito na kami guys. Sabay, kain muna tayo ng lunch at gutom na kami ng mami Nancy. Oh, we're hungry now. Mama's boy to eh. Mama's boy eh. Oh, mama's boy eh. Lunch namin yan. So.
Very random.
Very random. Ano makuha sa ref? Lunch na yon. Oh, what is that? What is that are you eating? Eh? You're eating tuna? Huh? What is this? Look the photo. What is this? Okay, Dylan Art. Rosy cheeks mo. Hada. Rosy cheeks this baby. Love you. Tapos na kami kumain. Sweets na. Yan. Si Nancy, like usual, fruits yan. Fruits ang kanyang nakain ako. Ito. Oh. Yan yung gawa niya na mini octopus. Octopus, I don't know. Octopus or mushroom or I don't know what you think about it. But it's cute. And kainin ko yan with chocolate. With chocolate, this one. You see? Wow! With chocolate. Questo così. Nancy, as usual, fruits. Can I take the toys for Dylan like this?
Yes.
I go take the toy first. Di.
Let's go play. Huh? Now we go play in the mat.
Dai, di, guarda. Stai guarda.
Singhiozza per seguito.
Ne faccio schifo questi.
Questa è
Wow. Shapes.
Guarda quante! Questo è del plastica. Che bello. Guarda. Guarda, torna indietro.
sono io che arrivata.
Buono! Qui. Vai.
Metti.
No, così è troppo semplice. No! You try next time when you say Father Mikael.
Wow, you like this? You like?
Wow, you put everything inside. Bravo. Clap.
Bravo.
Adesso tutto fuori così guarda. E rimettiamo tutto dentro. Qua. Square. Vai.
Square, put square.
Square.
A circle.
Circle.
Put.
Qua. Guarda. Qua. Press, fai pat.
Yay!
Bravo.
Next square. Square. Piano. Very excited. Oh,
No, non vuoi. Square. Vuole square.
Square.
Vuole square. No, square.
put square.
Square.
Put
Out. Square.
Put.
Which one you want to put first? Round. Let's put the round.
Circle.
Oh, nothing.
To go inside the. Eh? Mommy. Oh, dormi.
Time.
No. We open this or no?
Bye. Now let's see which one you prefer.
Guarda qua. Wow.
And excited, baby, new toy. This is from Daddy.
Guarda. You're like a lawyer. Così. Guarda daddy prima.
Wow, very fun.
Okay, vai tu. Strong, Go.
Up. Vai.
Confused. Confused if you take this one or do the pat. Pat.
Siamo nel deserto.
Guys, yung pinabili namin kanina, dali namin sa apartment na diretso na para hindi na dito sa bahay. Stock lang namin doon. Kuberan lang siguro para hindi na palipat-lipat na since nasa sasakyan pa, hindi pa namin binababa. Diretso na namin doon sa apartment. No. Yan. Let's go. Grab the key. Open. Sí, chalo yo. Comfortable?
Not really. I also use my. It's very tight.
Let's go.
Tight.
Seatbelt on, please.
Arriba.
Money, guys. 75. Just here in the middle. Huh? Sana kita kami guys. Kami dalawa ni Nancy. Yan. So nilagay na namin. Ano lang. Mabilis ang drop off lang nung kama. Yan. Tapos uwi na kami. Yan. Sobrang we are really excited. Oh, bird, go bird. Okay. Yes, we are very excited guys na finally we bought the things. 2 rooms.
I will have my
Yes. Huh?
I can call it mine.
Yes, it's yours. We paid for it. And also we managed to finish also our bedroom. Though still missing, not really. Bed, cabinet, mattress, and the drawer we have already.
We still missing something, yes.
Same.
Some maybe side table or the mirror.
Mirror, side tables.
Because this is side tables we're still thinking about it.
Yeah.
So we said let's buy it later.
That's correct.
Mirror because one is doesn't want mirror.
Yan, alam nyo Nian family, this is our first ever step forward as a family. No, kaya we are really happy about this thing, no?
Also because Ian said that he will wake up and eat breakfast with me every morning.
Yes,
when we
imagine
will
guys
have
to prepare breakfast in that beautiful kitchen. Did you imagine? Let's fix the camera 1 second. Yan.
You need to ask me every time, can I go in your kitchen?
I think even me will
Can I go
become a
in
bake.
your studio?
Will become a baker or a cook because of this kitchen.
You
Guys,
have a nice environment.
yeah,
everything is
5,000
better.
worth guys. Napakamahal ng bagay na to. It's
5,000 also the room.
the room, yeah. What? Come on.
Kitchen was good.
5,000 euro is around 300,000 pesos guys. Isang bahay na yun sa Pilipinas.
It's a different place. Yeah. With 5,000 euros, you don't get nothing.
Yeah.
Just 2 rooms.
Just 2 rooms. Kulang pa guys ha. Wala pa kaming sala. And yung studio ko pa, just stay by
And
piano,
all the furnitures, like
Oh.
all the stuff inside the kitchen.
all the stuff inside the
we
kitchen.
just get it with how many
Another
bins?
500.
Four bins, garbage bins. That's the only thing that we will have inside already.
Another 500 euro. Yes, but it's okay guys, it's a family. Mahal talaga mag-start.
It's all thing that we can buy
Yeah.
piano. We
And
don't have to fill up the kitchen with everything or the room with everything.
Yeah, this just to start, no? We start everything. And then the rest, little by little, bibili
The
natin
funny
yan.
thing about us is that we said we want a very nice big kitchen, but the cabinet for the room, the take it small because we don't have many clothes. We don't need many clothes. This is
Yeah.
it's the way we
But
don't need many clothes.
yeah, we don't need many clothes. Pero
We
marami
don't
kami lalagyan. We have cabinet and we have also the drawer separate na, guys. So we have a good space. I hope we have space.
We have space, yes.
Sometimes
now,
naisip...
now we're thinking we have space, but for sure when we in the moment we will put the things.
Yeah.
I don't have space
This is what
anymore.
I
Where
want.
do I put all my stuff?
Yeah, where? Why? I thought it's fit. No. Yan guys. So, tabayanan nyo our journey sa bahay na to. So, of course, papakita natin ang pagpipintura, paint, etc. We will show it everything to you. Of course, you're part of our family.
We are
Nian
going to
family.
do some before and after. So
Yeah.
follow us in this journey. Follow us.
Thank you very much.
Give us
Tsaka-
suggestions also if you have suggestions.
Yeah,
Like,
sa may DIYs.
oh yeah, this color is better than this one. Or maybe change that. Yeah,
Yes.
we listen.
And
Vibes.
gusto ko guys, I want to say thank you very much for your comments and suggestions for our channel guys. Sa mga pwede natin gagawin natin yan lahat as soon as makalipat tayo sa sa ating new house, no? We will do everything as soon as possible we manage to. Yan guys, so maraming salamat to all of you. Of course, yan, nandito na kami sa bahay. Malapit na kami and Dylan, I hope he's not crying. Mabilis lang naman. 10 minutes.
10 minutes, and when we left, he was crying. So I took
Yeah.
him back and stopped crying.
At then we will put down the sidulon, the chair for baby Dylan. Yan.
High chair.
High chair. Kasi papalitan namin yung high chair namin na Nancy's high chair when she was baby.
Actually, my sister. So it's 1 year older than
Sister.
me.
I want to change kasi guys, hindi comfortable for Dylan. Kasi,
Oh, sorry.
nag-i-stretch siya. So, nahuhulog siya. Kaya we bought alright, yeah. Okay.
Friend of the friend.
See you na lang sa loob guys. Pagbuo natin ng high chair. And pag-disassemble nung isa. Yan, sambulin natin tong bagong ni Dylan. Bagong kainan niya. Alright. Yan guys. Yan na siya. Happy mommy. Yan na siya. Ha? Yan na siya guys. 20 euro lang yan. Plus 10 euro this. Tapos nag-check kami ng Vinted. Meron nagbebenta 4 euro. Ano lang. Second hand siya. Yan, kakabit na lang natin tong seatbelt. Tapos okay na. Ito yung dati niya. Yan o. Maganda sana siya, kaya lang medyo old style. Dating niya medyo uncomfortable for Dylan.
He's bending on one side.
Yeah, kapag ni-stretch niya yung paa niya, nalalaglag sila. Kaya yan, namin bago. At least ito, sarado. Hindi siya mahuhulog. Kahit mag-stretch siya dyan, kahit anong gusto niyang stretch. Correct? When you wake up, you have your new chair.
And your dinner ready.
And your dinner ready. Prepared by mommy. Ayan. Wow. You did already?
I did yesterday. Hola.
Yan guys, so di. Yan guys. So, Nian FAM, thank you very much for watching. Time to sleep na tayo. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for this day.
Yes.
Baby new chair worked good. You like the food.
Yeah,
You like the
finish.
toys.
You like
Ay,
everything.
what's that? What's this, a flip?
Look.
It's
You
time
see
to
guys,
escape from
antok
you.
na yan eh. He is sleepy already. And guys, thank you very much for watching.
Come to mommy, come to mommy.
And
Come
we are...
here, come here, mommy.
I still cannot move on 5,000 euro. Happy?
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's just a part.
It's just 5,000.
Still more to go.
It's okay, just 5,000. There's still more to go. Sala, set, toilet. Toilet guys. Kung napanood nyo yung toilet before, kasi iniisip namin, we're still thinking and deciding about it. Kung gusto namin sanang i-renovate yung buong CR, palitan lahat. Kasi violet, ayaw namin ng violet. What do you think guys? Meron ba?
Plus the shower.
Plus the shower, yan. Hindi namin alam kung ipapa-renovate namin or we'll just go with it and then we renovate it after. Naluso. I don't know, but
Considering that the kitchen will come
after a month,
40 days.
40 days, yeah.
So we have 40 days of nothing to do.
Nothing to do. The paint,
Of course, the paint, yes, but the paint, it's easy and fast.
yeah. No, after the paint, we can do a lot of things also. Eh? Not only we can build the wardrobe that we can build by ourselves, no? That we want to put in the storage. You remember? Yeah, that one. So, hintayin lang natin after ng Easter. Yan. After Easter, it's finished. Correct? After Easter, guys, tapos na yung pinturahan. Yun ang sabi sa amin ng gagawa. So, antayin natin yon and then that's it. Simulan na natin ang adventure doon. Maglagay ng mga kung ano-ano. Bubot. Pero yung kitchen, 40 days pa dadating. Kitchen and kama. Kaya after 40 days pa tayo makakalipat doon. Na? Alright, so have a good night's sleep guys. Have a nice day kung nasa ibang panig kayo ng mundo. And maraming salamat po for watching. Thank you very much guys. We are the Nian FAM and don't forget to smile. Be happy and always stay positive.
Even if a baby is pulling your hair.
Yes. Mommy didn't want me to touch the hair, but the baby, play with it.
Who knows why?
Alright. Good night, guys. Mommy's crazy. Good night. Good? Good? Oh, snake. How to make him tired and then... Baho.